Hi, I'm Luisa and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a water lily out of crepe paper. I want to create a small volume for the middle of the flower, and for that I'm going to use some tissue paper. You can use toilet paper, tissue paper, or even aluminum foil for this, because in the end it won't be visible. We just need the volume. After we've glued it securely, we're going to hide it with a piece of yellow paper. You want to make sure that you grab a big enough piece in order to be able to hide the entirety of the volume. For this first piece, try and make the cuts as thin as possible. And now just twirl them. For this piece we're going to give it a bit more dimension, so we won't just be making simple thin cuts, but instead cuts just like I'm showing you. And now let's start working on the most colorful part, the petals. We're going to have 4 sizes of petals, but the entire process is going to be the same for each size. And that process means cutting the petals and then relaxing the paper a bit in order to make it bigger and more voluminous. And then we just glue them. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. For each new size of petals, we're going to glue them a bit lower than we did the previous size. On my channel you can find an entire playlist dedicated to crepe paper flowers, so there's something for everybody and you can make a bouquet perfect for any occasion and for anybody, no matter the season. I'm going to use the water lily for a bouquet, so I'm creating a stem for it. But if you're not using it for a bouquet, you can just cut the stem once you've completed your flower. Now for the final touch, we're going to give volume and shape to our water lily. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one, bye!